Hey everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove a game from your Steam library quickly and easily. Sometimes your library gets cluttered with old demos, unwanted games, or titles you simply don't want to see anymore. The good news is, Steam allows you to permanently remove games from your account in just a few clicks. I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can clean up your Steam library in less than a minute. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple gaming and software tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open the Steam application on your computer and sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once Steam loads, look at the top of the window and click on the Library tab. This is where all the games connected to your Steam account are listed. Scroll through your library and find the specific game you want to remove from your account. After you find the game, right-click on the game title in the left sidebar. A small menu will appear with several options. From this menu, hover over Manage. This will expand another menu with more options related to that game. In this menu, click on Remove from Account. Steam will now open a confirmation window explaining that the game will be permanently removed from your library. Carefully read the message in the confirmation window. If you're sure you want to remove the game, click the button that confirms the removal. Once you confirm, Steam will instantly remove the game from your account and it will no longer appear in your library list. And that's all there is to it. Your Steam library is now a little cleaner and easier to manage. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.